Roadmap to become an SEO specialist. Have you ever wondered why some websites always appear on the first page of Google, while others are completely invisible? It's not luck. It's SEO. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and behind every top-ranking website, there's an SEO specialist making it happen. An SEO specialist is the person who helps websites get discovered online. Their goal is simple: bring more visibility, more traffic, and ultimately more business. Because in today's world, if your website is not on the first page, it almost doesn't exist. So, how do you become an SEO specialist? It all starts with understanding how search engines work. Search engines like Google use algorithms to decide which pages deserve to rank higher. These algorithms look at hundreds of factors, like relevance, quality, speed, and user experience. As a beginner, you don't need to know every algorithm detail, but you must understand the fundamentals. You need to know how search engines crawl websites, how they index pages, and how they rank content. Once you understand this, the next step is keyword research. This is where SEO begins. You'll learn how to find what people are searching for. Not just random words, but the exact phrases your audience types into Google. Because SEO is not about guessing. It's about understanding user intent. When someone searches for something, they have a purpose. Your job is to match that purpose with the right content. Then comes on-page SEO. This is where you optimize your content. You'll learn how to structure titles, headings, URLs, and meta descriptions. You'll understand how to use keywords naturally, without overstuffing them. But modern SEO is not just about keywords. It's about creating valuable, helpful content. Because search engines today focus on user experience. If your content truly helps people, it will rank. After that, you'll move into technical SEO. This is where things get a bit deeper. You'll learn about website speed, mobile friendliness, site structure, and indexing issues. You'll understand how to fix broken links, improve loading time, and make sure search engines can easily access your site. Because even great content won't rank if the website is technically broken. Then comes off-page SEO. This is about building your website's authority. You'll learn how backlinks work. When other websites link to yours, it signals trust to search engines. But not all links are equal. Quality matters more than quantity. You'll focus on earning links from trusted, relevant sources. As you grow, tools will become part of your daily work. You might use tools to analyze keywords, track rankings, audit websites, and study competitors. But remember, tools don't make you an expert. Your strategy and thinking do. You'll also learn analytics. Because SEO is not just about ranking. It's about results. You'll track traffic, measure performance, and understand what's working and what's not. Data will guide your decisions. Over time, you'll start working on real projects. You'll optimize websites, create content strategies, and improve rankings step by step. And this is where patience becomes important. Because SEO is not instant. It takes time. Sometimes weeks. Sometimes months. But once results start coming, they can last for a long time. Now let's talk about skills. To become a great SEO specialist, you need curiosity. You need to constantly learn, test, and adapt. Because search engines are always evolving. What works today might not work tomorrow. You also need creativity. Because at the end of the day, SEO is about content, and content is about people. You're not just optimizing for algorithms. You're creating value for users. And that's the real secret of SEO. Start your journey today and become an SEO specialist who drives traffic, builds visibility, and grows businesses online.